The Land Use Act of 1978 is a pivotal piece of legislation in Nigeria that governs land ownership and use across the country. It was established to address the complexities of land tenure and to promote equitable access to land resources. Under this act, all land in Nigeria is vested in the governor of each state, who holds it in trust for the people. This means that private ownership of land is not absolute. Rather, it is subject to the control and regulation of the state. One of the key features of the Land Use Act is the concept of land allocation. Individuals or organizations wishing to acquire land must apply for a certificate of occupancy, which grants them the right to use the land for a specified period, typically 99 years. This certificate is crucial because it provides legal recognition of land rights, protecting the holder from arbitrary eviction. However, the Act also imposes certain restrictions. For instance, land cannot be sold outright. It can only be leased. This is designed to prevent land speculation and ensure that land remains accessible to all. Additionally, the Act mandates that land use must comply with zoning regulations, which are established by local authorities to promote orderly development. Another important aspect is the provision for compensation. If the government needs to acquire land for public purposes, such as infrastructure development, it is required to provide fair compensation to the landowner. This is intended to protect the rights of individuals while allowing the state to fulfill its developmental goals. The Land Use Act has faced criticism over the years, particularly regarding its implementation. Many argue that the bureaucratic processes involved in obtaining land titles can be cumbersome and opaque, leading to corruption and inefficiency. Furthermore, the Act has been seen as a barrier to foreign investment, as potential investors may be deterred by the complexities of land acquisition. Despite these challenges, the Land Use Act remains a fundamental framework for land management in Nigeria. It is essential for anyone involved in real estate, agriculture, or urban development to understand its provisions and implications. Knowledge of the Act can empower individuals and communities to navigate the land acquisition process more effectively and advocate for their rights. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing this video with someone who needs to hear it. Also, don't forget to follow our Facebook page for more insights and discussions on important topics like this. Understanding the Land Use Act is crucial for anyone looking to engage with land issues in Nigeria, and together, we can foster a more informed community.